wins, obviously they'll be the champions. If Amy wins, they'll be the champions. And if Gilas wins, we will go to game 3 next week. Okay, so good luck to both teams. Play hard, smart, and we will take a photo before the start. So I have here 2 jerseys. I will take first with Gilas.
Oh, wah. Picturean. Picturean. Ay, nakaharang si ano? Si Bossing.
And Amy, first one please. Habang tayo. Game lang yung game ball. First five. Good luck both teams. May the best team win. We have our referees, John Lee and Ione. Good. Okay, go. Oh, nakuha ni Tebares. Pasa kay Kenny. Sa lalim, number Who's foul rep? Padilla. First team foul, first personal foul. First free throw. Wala. Second free throw. Second free throw. Pasok. 1-0. Padilla. Hello. Pasok sila. Napunta kay Kalusa. Kalusa, provide. Pasa kay Kenny. Balik kay Derek. Pumasok sa loob. Tumira. Wala. Nagagawan. Nakuha ni number 11. Nilabas kay number 8 sa ilalim. Umiikot. Pasok. 2 points by number 8. 2-3. Kevin. Balik kay Easy. And white ball.
Line ball.
Luspe, tumira ng press. Wala. Rebound. Derek, pasa kay Kalusa sa ilalim. Bumira. Pasok. 5-2 is our score. 3-point lead. Padilla. Tumira ng boss. Pasok. Tuck in lang guys. Tuck in. Rivares. Balik kay Kalusa kay Barakyo na nabitawan. White ball. Nanat, kung nag-remark sa loob. Pinasa sa labas. Nanat, tumira ng boss. 2 points by Nanat. 6-5 is our score. Kalusa. Asin. 22, Kalusa. Provide, tumira. Bawing, pasok. 1 point lead by Gilas. Muntik ng maagaw. Paule, Nanat. Paule, tumira. Wala. Rivares, pumasok sa loob. Tumira, boarding. Wala. Rebound by number 8. Tumira. Fountain. And 1. Who's foul? 17. 2 personal foul. Isa pa. 2 team fouls. Number 8, tumira, bonus shot, wala. Nagagawan. And bola ng Gilas. Get ready for sub. 5 minutes. Kalusa, Rivares, tumira ng 3. Wala. Barakyo, 2 points. 1 rebound. Second foul by 13 foul. Substitution, next up, 5. 5. Bonus free throw. Bonus free throw, wala. Rebound by Padilla. Agad. Padilla, nagmamadali. Agaw. Kalusa. Pasa kay Barakyo, layup is good. 2 points. We have a 7-point lead now. Nanat. Ginamay sa loob. Pasa kay Steve, wala. But we have a foul. Sabre. Sino foul? 25. First team foul. First personal foul. Two free throws. Wala. Rebound by number 8. Number 8, number 4. Sa ilalim, kay Kalusa. Para sa kay number 8. We have 15-6 is our score. 9-point lead. Padilla, tinira ba o hindi? Lumilap. Pumasok sa loob, tapos lipat ulit ni Padilla. Padilla, umikot. Wala pa rin. Lipat na number 8. Magmamadali. And we have a foul.
O depensa!
Sino? Warning for penalty. First personal foul. Pibares, tumira ng 3. Wala. Kevin, nagmamadali. Kevin. Agawa.
Sakit!
Kalusa. Tatlo, 3-on-1. So now, 2 points. Padilla. 5. Kevin, tumira ng 3. Tapos, Sid. We have a foul by number 12. Second personal foul. Second team foul. First free throw. Kapos. Second free throw. Wala pa rin. Nagagawa. Sino kaya? Nakuha ni Kevin. Follow-up is good. We have 8-17 is our score. 9-point lead. Number 22. Lumali. We have a foul. 26. Penalty. Second foul by 26. Padilla. Substitution. Padilla out. Pole in. First free throw by Kalusa. Pasok. Second free throw, wala. Nagagawa, nakuha ni Sumok, wala. Out of bounds.
Depensa!
Out of bounds, 10-point lead. 35 seconds. Muntik na magaw, Kalusa. And line
Shot!
25 seconds left, 25 seconds. Paule, balik kay TJ. TJ, pasa kay Kevin. Titira pa ng 3, tumira. Tapos, 6 seconds. 2-point, basket counts, 2 points. Tulang. And our score is 21-8, 28. So our official score is 28. 20 for Amy. Alright.
Press tayo, press. Press. Ngayon pa lang, pre. Press na. Depensa, pre. Butas yung ano. Yung 8. Maraming yun yung 8.
Balasa, Kevin! Mukhang papalit ako ng t-shirt. Pang-kiyate yung gilas.
Paano kasi? Iba yung t-shirt ng iban eh.
Si Kuya naman pala eh.
Papalitan pa na, ayan.
Main, magilas-gilas pa eh.
Siyempre, kailangan pa kailangan balanse.
Tanggalin mo na lahat para balanse.
Hindi, 1/4 sa inyo.
Second. Okay, we're now on the second quarter. Let's go. Nanat to Paule, tumira ng 3. Wala. Rebound by 11.
Press tayo, trap. Trap.
Easy. Ginaganda. Sumuk to 11. Sumuk. Titira ka ng 3. Tumira ng 3. Wala. Nagagawan. Sino wala? Maracchio. Wala pa rin. Makuha ni Paule. DJ. Mamadali. Dahil sa kay Nanat. Nanat. Bounce pass kay Paule. Sa loob. No good, but we have a foul by third personal foul. Number 25, third personal foul.
Third na, dude. Pre. Bog. Bakit na yan? Tatlo na yung number 10.
Two free throws coming up. The Paule. First throw, pasok.
Trap, ha? Trap.
Second throw.
Easy, trap. Trap.
Second throw. Wala. Pasok yun na. Nanat, tumira. Pasok. 2 points. 2 points for Nanat. 10-point lead. 25, masyado malakas. Nanat, nagmamadali. Pasa kay TJ. TJ. Lumira, wala. Rebound by Valas. And we have a foul.
Trap, 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 trap.
First team foul.
Trap ulit, trap
First
ulit.
personal foul.
Easy, trap.
Number 25.
Yan, huli. Oh.
Valas to Calusa. Baracchio.
Offensive. Yeah.
And offensive foul by Baracchio. Bola ng 80. 20-11 is our score. Nanat, tumira ng boss. Wala. Rebound by Kenny. Pasa kay Calusa. Calusa na nabitawan. White ball. Number 8. Kay Paule. Wala. Sa malakas.
Harang-harang.
Gonzales, sa mamadali. Dumiretso, tumira, pasok. 2 points.
Maraming yung agad yun.
Gusto red. Number 9. Foul by Nanat. First personal foul by Nanat. Next sub, red. Next sub. Bonus free throw. Wala. Nakuha ni Baracchio. Baracchio. And we have a foul by 25.
Sa baba, sa baba.
Substitution.
Number 10.
26. Number 12 in. Sinong lalabas? Si 25. Sino ba yung foul yun? Who's foul that? Sinong foul yun? 25. Paul. Pasok sa ilalim, wala. And out of bounds. We have an 11-point lead.
Go, nakatalikod.
Padilla. Padilla. Umikot. Titira, wala. Pasa kay Kevin, wala pa rin. Magagawa, kanino kaya? Kalo na po tayo Kalusa. Kalusa, naaga ni Easy. Easy to Padilla. Lagay up sa loob. Lakas. Rebound by Barato.
Huli.
Pasa kay Vivares. Vivares, titira ng 3.
Outside.
Wala. Nagawan. Who's ball? White ball.
Go. Talikod to.
Nanat. Lumiyot sa loob. 2 points by Nanat. 9-point lead. Full court press ang itim. Ang puti.
Yes.
Vivares. Napunta kay Sumok.
Nice.
By Barato, 2 points by Barato.
Go.
11-point lead. Padilla, nagmamadali. Pumasok sa loob. Tira, wala. You have a foul by number 4. First personal foul by number 4. Free throw, pasok yung una.
Trap ha.
Second free throw coming up. Second free throw, pasok din. 15-24 is our score. Barakyo.
Huli.
Pasa kay Kalusa, bumalik, wala.
Yun.
Nakuha ni Paule to 5. Padilla, umikot. Muntik na. Umikot ulit. 2 points by Padilla. 7-point lead now. Nagawa ni Paule. Paule to number 8. Hindi. Last touch pala. Kanino? Who's ball? We have a timeout?
Referee timeout.
Alright, timeout by Gilas.
Trap ulit, trap. Trap lang ng trap.
Wala tayo mas 3 minutes yan. 3 minutes na wala na. 3 minutes na. 3 minutes pa kanina.
Trap ulit, trap. Haras, ha.
Back to the ball game. 2 minutes, 30 seconds left. Barakyo.
Huli.
Kalusa to Barakyo.
Sa baba.
No shot. 25 foul. Warning for. Huh?
Advantage foul, oh. Advantage foul.
Second personal foul by number 8. Cinco. To Padilla, tumira ng dos. Wala. Out of shooting. Foul by number 11. Penalty. Ay, wala pala.
Shooting foul.
Shooting foul lang, shooting foul. First throw. Wala. 5. Kay Guzpe. Wala pa rin. TJ. That is good. 25. Running for graduation. Number 25. 4 fouls. 1 free throw coming up by TJ. TJ 5. Next up.
Pag na-shoot.
Next up.
Pag na-shoot.
Wala. Nakuha ni Paracchio. Tibares. Mamadali. Tibares. Kay Paracchio. Paracchio. Tumira. Wala. Gagawan. Green ball. 14 seconds. 7 seconds on clock. Game clock pala. Penalty. Two free throws. $19-25 in favor of Gilas.
Huwag yung titigilan yung trap. Mapapagod yan.
Happy birthday! Happy birthday!
Huwag yung tigilan yung trap, pre. Hanggang tapos na yan. Hanggang ano, trap, ha? Mapapagod yan. Eh? What? Who? Them? They're not fouling. They're not calling foul. You gotta sell it sometimes. Sell it. Flop.